Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you will all be fine. So today we have to start the active and passive voice with present continuous tense. In the last lecture, we did active and passive voice with present indefinite tense, and I hope you must have understood all the rules and all the just sentences, how you have to change them. So today we have to start active and passive voice with present continuous tense. In the case of affirmative, what do we mean by affirmative? By affirmative sentences, we mean positive sentences. So the structure formula in the case of affirmative or positive sentences is object of the active sentence plus am is and are plus be plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject of the active sentence. It will become very easy for you people if you learn the structure formula with all the kinds of sentences, positive sentences, negative, and interrogative. If you know the structure formula, there will be no mistake at all while you be changing the sentence from active into passive voice. Now you can see in the example, in the case of active voice, the sentence is, he is throwing the ball. Now we have to change it into the passive voice. So the object of the active sentence will come in the beginning of the sentence, is being third form of the verb by, and then he will be changed into him because he is the subject pronoun, and it will be changed into a object pronoun, which is him over here. So in this way, you have to change the positive sentences from active into passive voice. Now, if you want to change a negative sentence into passive voice, so the structure formula is object of the active sentence is, are, am plus not being plus third form of the verb plus subject of the active sentence. I am not eating a burger. I is the subject over here. Am is the helping verb. Eating is the main verb and burger is the object. Now, object of the active sentence will come in the beginning, is not being eaten by, and I will be changed into me because I is the subject pronoun and me is the object pronoun of I. So in this way, you can easily change a negative sentence from active into passive. Now, in the case of interrogative sentences, again, the structure formula is, are, am, object of the active sentence being third form of the verb plus subject of the active sentence. Is he throwing the ball? Is the helping verb, he is the subject, throwing is the main verb, and ball is the object. When you will change it into a passive voice, then is will come in the beginning of the sentence. Then will come the object of the active sentence being thrown by, and he will be changed into him. In this way, the sentence will be changed from active into passive. Sometimes we have to change negative interrogative sentences into passive voice. So the structure formula is here, as you can see on your screen. The active voice is he not throwing the ball? If you have to change it into passive voice, then the structure formula will be applied over here, and you can easily change a negative interrogative sentence into passive voice. Sometimes we have WH question words. Sometimes we have to change them into active to passive voice. So in that case, WH words will always be there in the beginning of the sentence, whether they are in the active voice or passive voice. You can easily see the structure formula on your screen. So first of all, you have to learn this structure formula, and then you have to apply it in the case of the sentences which are beginning with the question words or WH words. So I hope students, your idea with this tense, which is present continuous tense, would be quite much clear by now. And again, I would repeat the same thing, that the most important thing regarding this matter is the structure formula. If you know the structure formula with all the kinds of sentences, then there will be no mistake at all, and you can easily change your sentences from active voice into passive voice. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz.